In this video, I'm going to show you how you can find all active logins on Roblox. If you find this video helpful, I'll kindly request that you support me by liking the video and also by subscribing to this channel. So if you want to see all the active sessions or your current logged ins on your account, it's pretty simple. Just head over to your account and log in and then go to more here. From this, scroll down to settings, and under settings, go ahead and choose this option, security. Now under security, scroll down, and down below here you should see this option where you are logged in, and you're told these are all places you are currently logged into your Roblox account. Currently I don't have any other place. I'm only logged into this session, and you can see it is here. So this is how you find all your current or active sessions or logins. If you have any other question, kindly let me know in the comment section. Otherwise, thanks for watching and let's meet in the next video.